Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Thanks for joining Sarah's Cookery Tips. Yeah, it is just afternoon. I'm going to make today for you some shortcrust pastry. So this will then be used to make the cornish pasties on a later video. So without further ado, let's crack on. Right, and what you're going to need is 500 grams of strong white bread flour, 175 ml of cold water, 120 grams of lard, 125 grams of butter, and a teaspoon of salt, and a large bowl to mix. So you put in the 500 grams of strong white bread flour. You can use wholemeal, it's your preference, whatever you'd like to use. And then we add the teaspoon of salt, that goes in. The 125 grams of butter. I've used salted butter, but you can use unsalted. And the 120 grams of lard. These have just come out of the fridge, so they're all really cold ingredients. It helps with the pastry. So we're going to mix all these together to make this lovely breadcrumb flaky mixture. Making sure you get all the lard and butter really well mixed in. And then we're going to add the cold water a little at a time. You want to give that a good mix round, and you keep doing this. You keep mixing the mixture and adding the water gradually. You don't want to rush it because you're trying to make the pastry firm, because this will hold in the filling of your pie, your quiche. As in this case, I'm going to be making cornish pasties, but it just gives it that firmness. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get to this, so it can't be rushed really. You've just got to keep kneading it and working it. There we are. So then you want to be covering it with cling film, and this needs to rest, and this needs to go in the fridge. It needs to be really cold pastry. So I'd leave it in there for about 3 hours. And then this will be ready for the pasties. There you are, that was my short video on how to make shortcrust pastry. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. And please stay tuned because the cornish pasties one's up next. Thanks a lot, bye.